Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we are going to be talking about Casper Network, aka Cspr. So with that being said, let's dive on in. So we do see here exploring Casper's roadmap into 2024 with insights from Meta Parlacar. Again, we just got the full updated insight into the roadmap for 2024 for Casper. And let me just tell you guys right now, it's very significant. So let's dive on in. So we do see down here, our journey into 2024 begins with the foundation we've built with the version 1.5.3. This version marked a significant step in enhancing the network's performance and reliability. With improved archival nodes, optimized synchronization, and performance enhancements, we have set a solid foundation for the ambitious plans ahead. Now, looking forward to mid-2024, we are preparing for 3 major upgrades that promise to further evolve and strengthen the Casper blockchain. Again, this is why I always say in my Casper videos that while we are ranging under 3 cents and it seems as though all hope is lost, Casper isn't moving. What the hell is going on with Casper? I'm seeing FTX token doing a 300% run up. I'm seeing all these altcoins moving. You know what I'm saying, right? Is everyone is looking at Casper right now and just saying, like, why isn't Casper moving? Well, I just said it in an HBAR video. Why complain? When we look at things like this, this should give you a vote of confidence that, guess what? The Casper team does not care if Casper is trading at 3 cents, at 5 cents, at 10 cents. It does not matter. They are going to continue to build. They're going to continue to expand. And they are going to continue to improve the network. This, like I said, should give you confidence that while Casper isn't moving, you're getting paid, you're putting some money to the side, and you're investing it into Casper and accumulating at these lows. Obviously not financial advice, but that is what I am personally doing. I'm investing into Casper and I'm accumulating while Casper is a bore fest. And everyone is losing all sight of the big picture with Casper. I love this price action because now we are starting to see people taking their Casper, flipping it into Render, flipping it into FTX token, flipping it into Caspa, flipping it into all these other tokens. And it's just telling me that, listen, I know I'm early. These people are losing focus. They're getting impatient and it's causing irrational decisions to be made. While I'm focused on the big picture, I'm accumulating and I'm staying true to my original goal, which is the fact that I strongly believe that Casper is going to be a massive winner in the next run. As we scroll down, we see the 3 major upgrades: Paragan, Juliet, and Condor. So the Paragan release is scheduled for launch in the next few weeks. This upgrade is all about enhancing transaction efficiency and user experience. By reducing block times to 16 seconds, transactions on the Casper network will be faster than ever, significantly benefiting our DeFi initiatives and user interactions. This is so damn significant to mention because I see a lot of people saying, Nick, where's DeFi on Casper? This is going to unlock the door for them to expand on their initiatives within the DeFi space. We've tested at 8 seconds and know that Casper is stable at this speed. However, for the time being, we're going to opt for 16 seconds. This decision is made because we don't want to risk the uptime and robustness of the protocol by making such a big leap. Alongside reduced block times, the introduction of a 99% refund on unspent gas fees is set to be a game changer, making transactions on Casper more cost-effective and appealing. To take advantage of this new gas fee, a smart contract upgrade will be necessary. We will provide documentation on how to accomplish this. Juliet. Later this year, we are set to release the Juliet upgrade. Meta detailed the introduction of a new, more secure networking layer designed to robustly protect against denial of service attacks. The Juliet release introduces a brand new networking layer for our system. Previously, we utilized a bespoke networking layer, but it presented some security challenges, particularly in terms of vulnerability to denial of service, aka DDoS attacks. The innovative aspect of the Juliet networking layer is its robust defense mechanism against such attacks. Essentially, any attempt to DDoS a Casper node or the Casper network will result in the attacking node running out of memory. This design not only proves the security of the system, but also its efficient and predictable memory usage, making it easier to maintain. We're excited to share this advancement with the wider community by releasing it as an open source Rust-based networking crate. We are ensuring that this enhancement benefits a wider ecosystem by releasing this as a Rust-based networking crate. We believe the Juliet networking layer will be a significant contribution to the ecosystem and hope to see its broad adoption. And then Condor. This is where things get very interesting because guess what? This is formerly known as 2.0. We finally get an insight into Casper 2.0. The Condor release, formerly known as 2.0, and now rebranded as the Condor upgrade, is a major and multifaceted update for the Casper network. It encompasses several significant enhancements and new features designed to increase the network's robustness, security, and usability. Here's a breakdown of what the Condor release entails. Zug consensus mechanism. A major component of Condor is the Zug consensus mechanism. The new mechanism will provide flexible block times to significantly reduce the overhead and payment to validators for sending finality signatures. This change is expected to make the protocol more robust and secure while making it more reliable than ever. Gas refunds and no gas transactions. A key feature to the Condor upgrade is the introduction of gas refunds and the possibility of no gas transactions. This new feature aims to make transactions on the network more cost-effective and user-friendly. Wallet enhancements. The upgrade includes significant improvements to wallet functionalities, focusing on native token management and transaction fee payment. The goal is to upgrade purchases, making them a first-order object within the system, thereby streamlining and improving the user experience. Enhancements to URFs. Condor will introduce major enhancements to unforgeable references, including more security and flexibility features like whitelisting, expiration, and sharing management. These changes are designed to make the references function more intuitively and effectively within the network. Unifying accounts and contracts. A groundbreaking feature of Condor is the unification of accounts and contracts. This means that everything an account can currently do in the Casper network, such as storing data, managing associated keys, and governance functionalities, will also be possible for contracts. The unification allows contracts to pay for transactions, stake in the network, and even receive multi-signature upgrades for enhanced governance. Contract enhancements as well. The upgrade will also introduce additional enhancements to contracts like the provision of a factory pattern and an event standard. These enhancements are a direct response to feedback and feature requests from the community and developers building on Casper. This is so damn exciting. The roadmap is defined by major improvements to technology that will help us enhance network efficiency and user experience as we move forward into 2024 and beyond. We are actively developing a smarter, user-centered, and secure blockchain ecosystem rather than simply laying out future plans. We encourage you to join us, contribute to, and enjoy the advantages of these innovative achievements. Your involvement and support are crucial in shaping the future of blockchain technology. Casper is continuously and will continuously adapt and innovate as the market and technology landscapes change. This is very exciting. Guys, we are seeing very large moves being made here. Again, when you look at the case studies right now, I know that Casper kind of seems like a ghost town. It's the same exact thing that we've seen with Hedera. But guess what? Just like Hedera, Casper has been building very fast. They've been constantly working. They've been very vocal. They've been very loud about what they are doing and their ambitions as well. We are starting to see major moves being made here. I'm very excited for the future here, especially considering the fact that this team has shown us what they are made of, what they are doing, what they are focused on. And guess what? This bear market has not slowed them down at all. And I'm very excited for this upgrade because now we are going to start to see those DeFi initiatives and possibly even a lot more broader adoption of the network within significant use cases. Some of those significant use cases that I'm fully focused on is AI, SocialFi, and even gaming. I just recently said over on Twitter that focus on the trend shift. Right now, AI, SocialFi, and gaming are the three biggest trends in crypto right now. I personally believe that we will see billions to trillions flowing into the space, and these three trends will be big winners. Focus on projects that are also converging blockchain and AI for the ultimate enterprise solution. I see a lot of people mocking Casper's price action, but fail to realize that they are they are one of these players. Their partnership with IBM and their move with Brave AI is a huge opportunity and one that should not be ignored. We already talked about it, right? we talked about how big AI could actually be, and the conversion of blockchain and AI together to really kind of bring about the ultimate enterprise solution is one that cannot be ignored right now, especially as we start to see a lot more movement on that side. One of the biggest things that I've talked about even with Hedera is, how AI and blockchain is changing the way business is conducted. Casper is right on par with that. Casper has been fully focused on the enterprise goal. They are not trying to hype up substance for the retail sector. They don't care about the retail sector, and they shouldn't, right? Why should they? At the end of the day, they're not going after the retail sector. They're going after the enterprise grade sector. They're going after the big players. So as we really kind of look at that AI goal and their path that they've been on, especially with IBM, it's very significant. And I've talked about it. That's why I do believe that when we start to see a lot of money pouring into the space, tapping into AI, SocialFi, gaming, things like that, I think that Casper is going to be one of the big players as well that sees a lot of that money. And outside of that, we actually see over here from Casper Network, multiple projects and organizations are choosing Casper, but just don't take our word for it. Listen to the community why Casper is becoming their go-to platform. Now, of course, they tagged 3 projects here. Crypto Female, which is, I suppose, a Web3 group, Hungry Games, and then We Are Team Make. Check this out.
Çok zorlu bir yol haritası olduğunu biliyorduk. Fakat hem Cspr takımının bize destekleri, Casper'ın da bizimle birlikte gelişmesi burada bizim işimizi kolaylaştırdı.
İlk teknik belgelerini okuduğum zaman çok ilgi çekici gelmişti. Yeni bir teknoloji ve özellikle ben bir şeyler inşa etmeyi sevdiğim için, Casper'da tamamen beyaz bir sayfa gibi olduğu için yeni başlayan, o yüzden girmiştim.
Baktığımız zaman Casper hem teknik sorularımıza cevap aldığımız hem de business development anlamında çok hızlı geri dönüşleri olan bir ekibe sahip. Güzel bir çalışmamız var. Casper'daki arkadaşlara çok teşekkür ederiz.
Bugün inanılmaz bir etkinlik oldu. Davet ettiğimiz sayıdan daha fazla kişi bugün buraya geldi. Casper Network'e buradan Türkiye ekosistemine, özellikle Web3 ekosistemine katacakları güzel çalışmalar için şimdiden teşekkür ediyoruz.
So there you guys have it. And again, as we really kind of look at what's going on here, and I know that a lot of you guys are probably not going to be able to read what was being said on the screen. You guys do want, usually these videos are fully subtitled at the end of the day. So if you guys do want to turn on subtitles to really kind of see what they were saying there, you guys are more than welcome to. But I'm very excited for a lot of these projects that are building out and tapping into Casper, because again, these are, smaller players, but they're players that are really kind of building and staying focused on their overall goals. And I think that this is a crucial thing to note. And as we start to see Casper upgrade their overall platform, like this roadmap is so crucial, because everyone that has been complaining about how the network and the ecosystem is not expanding, this is what we want to see. This is what we need to see in order for a lot more adoption to be realized in. And DeFi, the DeFi initiatives is one thing that I'm really kind of looking at, because although gaming is a big thing, and although like some of these other things like SocialFi is a big thing as well, DeFi is where immediate value is moving on the network and being transacted on the network. So that's one thing that I'm really kind of looking at. And I think that this is the first official launch where we will start to see DeFi initiatives really kind of take off. And this is going to be happening in the next few weeks. So probably Q1, I would argue, of like roughly 2024, is where we are going to start to see some very big moves from the Casper team. And this gets me very excited because they are planning this at the perfect time. I mean, at the end of the day, these major upgrades that are going to be happening on Casper is right in time for the next bull run. So this is very exciting. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, though. If you guys did enjoy the video, definitely leave a like, subscribe to notifications on. Also, if you guys do want to take advantage of the 40% off sale from DCENT Wallet, there's roughly 8 days left. You can now save $50 off of one wallet, or you could possibly save $128 off of the 2-pack. This is a deal that you cannot pass up. It is a limited time only. It is once a year for Black Friday. 40% off right now. Links down in the description below, in the comments below. Definitely go take advantage of this while this sale is still here. So with that in mind, I hope that you all had a great time. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. As always, this is Nick. Peace out.